Welcome back to channel. So today I'm going to unbox Mimi Simple Steps baby walker with push handle and push foot mat along with the stopper. So this one I bought it from Amazon for around 2100. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ 2100 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಅಮೆಝಾನಿಂದ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ನಾವು ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ರಿವ್ಯೂ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತು ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆನೇ ಇರಲಿ ಆಯಿತಾ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ವೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ So here you can see there are 3 colors available: blue color, pink color and green color. So some of the features are mentioned here, so I will go over one. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ collapse again without stopping. Okay, so to stop that you need to press it here and push it like this, so it will get stuck. If you see here, you can see couple of teeth or stopper, so this will hold the these are the stoppers, I would say, when there is no need of wheels to be rotated or this walker. So I'm going to put now the wheels. So this is just a press fit, so you can see clearly. Okay, so can you see here, there is nothing, any screws, adjustment, nothing, just a press fit. You can so this will not bend without pulling this one. So if you pull like this and then just bend it like this, it will be on front side, and this will be a cushion for a baby so you can see couple of doubles here. So this one here, you need to remove the 2 threaded caps. So if you see all over 4 holes here, just place it over here. So if you see these 2 plugs are very hard to push inside. So what you need to do is you need to take one screwdriver and then push it like this, otherwise by hand it will be very hard to get into that. So these you can do it by removing and adding it like this. So from bottom you need to just tighten it, since these are threaded. I 3 hooks again here, 1 2 3. Okay, and here also you can see 3 hooks designs to be placed inside like this, and then you need to press it down so that it will lock, kind of interlock design. Okay, see, Okay guys, so these are the buttons for a music. I coconut tree. So let's put it this way. Coconut tree. Okay. This not like this. Okay. So so you can place it like this. Okay. So here if you look into the bottom side, you can see one screw is here just to place two shells, so that this can play some music, and after that you need to just place it like this. Here there is a one slot, and here there is a one slot hook, just to place it like this. And then here if you come closer, so you can see this one. Here you need to rotate it like this, so that it will not come up. Okay, here can you see this? So I'm rotating so that this slot will get locked, so this will not come out. Okay, if you want to open this, so you can just rotate this like this, and again this one also, then you have access to just open it. Other when baby is very small, and just to make her sit, and then we can make use of this, and um, play around. I think we can just press this one. By talking about the quality of the product, so this is very much strong. I mean, the material, everything, structurally, this is very much strong. Uh, and wheels also good, and this will be very much easy to walk also. There is no obstructions in and around, and cushion is also pretty much good. This is thanks, that's it guys.